Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix that the photo mode is missing on your TikTok. So the first thing that you need to do is, you need to go to the settings and then search for software update and check if your operation system is up to date. As you can see, my operation system is up to date. If not, please update your phone. And if you've done that, and if it's still not if the photo mode is still not there, go to the App Store and update TikTok. So as you see, search for TikTok and then tap on the update button if there's any. Otherwise, just tap on open. And if the photo mode is still missing, just open TikTok. Then go to settings and privacy. So go to your profile, tap on the hamburger icon in the right upper corner, and go to settings and privacy. Alright, and then scroll down until you see support and about. Then tap on report a problem. And here you see a lot of things, but you need to tap on topics and then go to account and profile. And here you see again topics. You see a lot of things, but you need to tap on, let me see, editing profile. And then tap on other. And here you see, again, a lot of text, but you need to tap on need more help. And here you can tell, your feedback to TikTok. So you can add images up to 4, and you can even add a video. So you, you can just type, for example, I've tried anything, but I still don't have the photo mode on my TikTok. Could the TikTok team please help me? With this. You even can add screenshots if you want to, but you just need to tap on submit, and then TikTok is looking at your problem. They might fix it, which is really nice. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.